Hey there, so now you've completed Module 1 and we're on to Module 2. This is all about repairing and recharging your mitochondria. So one of the things that happens when we have these triggers of the cell danger response, when we have things switching off our mitochondria, is that the mitochondria actually engage in a shielding process, something called oxidative shielding. And they actually intentionally start throwing off free radicals or oxidants and start creating damage around the cell. And there's a number of studies that have linked excessive oxidative damage to fatigue. So what happens when this is going on is that the mitochondria get damaged. Literally, the membranes of the mitochondria incur physical damage. And in the process, they also lose a lot of their energy building blocks. They get kind of squeezed out of the cell, dumped into the blood, and lost through the urine or other detoxification pathways. And in order to switch the mitochondria back on, we have to physically repair the membranes, and we have to physically resupply the building blocks, the substrates that they use to manufacture ATP, to manufacture cellular energy. So in this module, I'm going to take you through the energy blueprint diet, and I'm going to show you first the foundational, basic dietary approach that will guarantee that you're eating in a way that's compatible with everything we know from the science about how to eat for optimal health and longevity. And then I'm going to take you step by step into more detailed strategies, nutrition strategies, to optimize your energy levels, to optimize your hormones and neurotransmitters for energy. And then we're going to get into specific strategies to actually repair and regenerate your membranes. And if you remember, I showed you just one of the strategies that I'm going to teach you here. And there's one thing, this is something called lipid replacement therapy, and this is just one of the strategies, but it's a very important strategy that we're going to use to repair the mitochondrial membranes. And this study has basically shown that through repairing these what are called phospholipids, which is a specific type of fatty acid that makes up your mitochondrial membranes and cellular membranes, when they get damaged, you can actually repair the phospholipids, the damaged phospholipids, with new healthy phospholipids. And just by doing this, in 8 weeks, they showed huge reductions, like 40% and sometimes more than 40% reductions in fatigue just through this one strategy alone. So that's just one of the things that I'm going to show you in this module. There's a whole bunch more, trust me, and a lot of this stuff is going to blow your mind. This is not just the same standard old nutrition thinking. And we're going to get into how to repair and regenerate your mitochondria and how to switch them back into energy mode. So I'll see you in the first video.